All right, everybody. Say hi.
Hi, y'all. So today we will be doing a Buffalo Hot Wings World's Spiciest Chicken Challenge.
You look mad as shit.
I can't even touch my eye.
Get your headphones out your ear.
So,
On the count of 3.
dig it.
What do we get for this?
Nothing. We have to see how long, what am I trying to say? How much we can eat without drinking.
No drinking. You're not supposed to drink until you finish it.
Yeah.
And the spice had evaporated, so you should be okay.
No, that's a lie.
And
Did
sorry,
evaporate.
we threw the box away, so we can't show you.
Where the wings from?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Okay. On the count of 3. 1,
2.
It's like going in my eyes.
3. Go.
Oh my gosh, remember.
You're so dramatic.
No, I'm serious.
Is it that bad, Vinia?
I can't put it in my mouth, but
Yo, this is really bad. Charmaine, I need drinks.
No, you had cassava leaf and everything else.
it's stuck. It's stuck in my bracelet.
I'm not eating all these. I can't. Ah!
Jordan,
What are you?
listen to that.
You're so dramatic. Shut up.
No, it's in my throat. Ah!
Come on, you can do it. How many did you eat so far?
1. He's not even on another.
Oh my god! Stop.
It's hot. I'm not going to even lie. This is hot.
you sweating, girl.
Oh!
It's like,
Oh my god, I really can't breathe.
the more.
It's gonna help you breathe.
No, no, no.
You only did 1.
No, you don't understand, Charmaine. Stop. You don't.
What am I supposed to stop? You only did 1. You got 4 more. No. Banana, tell him no. No.
Mm.
I'm gonna keep saying. I'm gonna see how far.
Oh, it doesn't help.
Come on.
1 down, 4 more to go.
Come on, Jordan. You can do it.
No, I can't do no more.
Excuse me.
This is bad. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh.
My tongue is like right in the middle.
Ah. Oh my god, Charmaine.
Sure.
I'm done. I can't.
You give up.
Yeah, I give up. I can't. Oh.
You got 4 more. You can do it.
Oh, it's all down here. Ah.
Okay.
Charmaine is bad. Oh my god.
Camera's about to die.
Oh.
Okay, guys.
Look at my nose. My nose is dripping snot. Yo, it's bad. It's the hottest thing I've ever eaten. take one more bite. Oh!
Thank you guys.
No, it's really making me like shake.
Well, I'm here to talk. Thank you for watching, guys. Sorry, but the video gotta stop. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Don't eat these wings ever.
And these
Oh my god!
are no joke. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Jordan, you got 4 more, bro.
I'm saving these for somebody. I'll give them to somebody at work. Charmaine.
Sure, that's hotter than the noodles.
Oh my god.
Told you it was hotter than
Take one bite. Just one. You don't even gotta swallow the chicken.
Yes,
just take a bite and let it sit in your mouth.
Yeah.
Cook, you're talking all that stuff. Take one
I
bite.
told you it was spicier than the noodles.
Take one bite.
Just
Look,
let it sit in your
Does it
mouth.
remind you of the cassava leaf?
take this bite.
Does it remind you of the pickles? You had pickles.
This-
How can you do pickles? You just can't do that.
That's so hot.
Just put it in your mouth. It is hot.
Here, just take a bite of this one.
Never.
No, just put the chicken in your mouth and you
And
don't
let
have
it
to
sit.
swallow it.
Just let it
Please.
sit.
No, you gotta see how hot it is.
Not tasting that.
Oh,
You didn't even finish.
That's not even
take
helpful.
a bite.
You only, it was supposed to be 7. You dumbed it down to 5, and now you only have 4 left.
Take a bite.
No.
I'm about to wash my mouth out with soap. You think I'm playing? I'm pumping soap in my mouth right now. This is horrible.
The soap's gonna make it worse.
No, it won't.
Just let it sit. Just go like this, Shar. Just sit on your tongue. It's hot.
Someone want to eat it, and then it's gonna fuck me up.
No, I'm trying to just like.
No, I'm telling you, just let.
Oh, my tongue.
So Jordan tapped out.
It's just like the middle.
How many did you do?
1,
3.
2, 3. I'm gonna try to finish.
Finish?
I don't want to waste them. At least he's taking out the ones that work out.
Yeah, he definitely will. He will definitely terrorize the shit out of somebody.
We cooked him too long. It's harder.
It's hard. See? And I said, you said, but the timer. I'm like, no, we forgot all about it. I smelt it. That's why I'm like,
I'm done.
No, my lip is burning.
how do you feel, sir?
Horrible.
Is it helping?
No.